Ready to ditch that tiny phone screen and experience Pokemon TCG Pocket the way it was meant to be huge? First, head over to BlueStacks.com. This is a free Android emulator that lets you run mobile games on your PC. Click the big, obvious download button. Make sure you get the version compatible with your operating system, Windows or Mac. Once the download is complete, run the installer. Follow the on-screen prompts to install BlueStacks on your computer. This might take a few minutes. After installation, launch BlueStacks. You'll see the Android home screen. Look for the Google Play Store icon and click on it. Sign in with your Google account. Then, use the search bar at the top to search for Pokemon TCG Pocket. Find Pokemon TCG Pocket in the search results and click the install button. Once the installation is complete, you can find the Pokemon TCG Pocket icon on the BlueStacks home screen. Click it to launch the game. Log in with your Pokemon Trainer Club account, and bam! You're now playing Pokemon TCG Pocket on your PC. Enjoy those glorious card battles on a bigger screen.